All right, so it is nearing the beginning of September, and we're out here digging up the potatoes. And I'm only getting some right now because I have a lot to harvest, but I want to get them because they are completely dyed back like this. We have a lot of rain that's going to be coming all day tomorrow, so I have left them in the ground when it was really a rainy season, and slugs have came and got them. So I'm just going to go ahead and start getting some now. I've gotten a couple crates full already, and I'll leave the other ones that still have the green like this on here. But these ones that are dead, I'm just trying to get some now, just to kind of keep the momentum going of getting the potatoes out and getting them in storage, and then so we have some to eat fresh now, and because there's just so many. So that's kind of what we're doing. So let's take a dig. Let's see what we're gonna find. So here's a potato fork. This works really good to be able to get them. Sometimes I do stab them, and then those are the ones that I just go ahead and eat right away. But you just go on the very outside of it like this, and then you'll see it just kind of pulls them up like this, and I do it on both sides. Look at those beautiful potatoes, right? Sometimes you get a whole bunch per plant, sometimes you get one huge one. It's all different kinds, but I will even save these small ones, and if they last long enough, I will go ahead and save them for seed potatoes next year. Even if they're tiny like that, it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and keep digging this one up, and so I hope you enjoy the potato harvest.